Hey everyone, welcome back to my video. From this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Remember Me option for sign-in part. So let's start. As I already have an account, I will click the sign-in button and go to the sign-in part. Here you can see I have this Remember Me option. So what is the function of Remember Me option? It will help you to save your sign-in data, and whenever you visit to this website again, it will suggest you the email and password and you can very quickly sign in to the site. So what is the basic thing inside this Remember Me option? That is the cookies. Cookies are small pieces of text sent to your browser by a website you visit, and they help that website to remember information about your visit, and they will store them in your server, in your browser server, so others cannot see them. Only you can see them. So that is the basic concept of this Remember Me option. Now let's see how it's working. First of all, I'm going to show you what is the email and password I'm going to use. This one and this password. So I go to the cookies. You can see there is no any cookie in here. Now I will add mine. Redirect to this desktop, and now if I check, you can here see the cookies. For the @ sign, we will use this %40 and localhost. For the password, here's the same password and the path also. This is how we keep cookies. And if I enter a wrong password or wrong email address, let's see whether they will keep them or not. Same email address, and now I will enter wrong password, and also I click this Remember Me button. Sign invalid username or password. First of all, you have to refresh your browser, then you should do that. Let's see, this already have the previous cookies, so I'm going to destroy it and refresh again. Again I will add. It's only local. They don't keep this wrong email and wrong password. Let's see if the email is wrong. What will happen? Otherwise, you should refresh before you sign in again, otherwise cookie will remain. And email, no any password, they didn't save those values. So now let's check how we do this by using the coding part. First of all, let's say the index page. In here, I have set the cookies by using these variables, and we get the value from database by this email, and by using this isSet. isSet is we use normally to check whether the variable is set, which means that it has to be declared and is not null. This function returns true if the variable exists or not null. Otherwise, it will return false. That's how we check whether it's not null or true. After setting our cookies, here I have included remember me label, and I use checkbox to check the remember me option, and I have given remember me ID to that checkbox. Now let's see how it works in JavaScript part. Here's the sign-in process. In this sign-in process, as I told you before in the previous video, we get the email password which is useful for the sign-in part, and from this sign-in remember me ID, as I showed you before, we get the value and we assign it to this variable, and by using new form we append those values to this form, and we send those form to sign-in process page through post method as a form. If we check the sign-in process part, here you already know this part. I have talked about this in the previous video. This is how we made the sign-in validations, and in this part, here we add the cookies. After the sign-in process happened, we fetch the cookies, and in this way, we give the time. Normally, cookies keep time by seconds. So, in there, I have added 1 year. I validated 1 year for this cookie. So we have to use the calculations related to seconds, how to convert it to year, and from there we take the database values and we check it with these variables which the new value assigned, and this is the way how we keep the cookies, set cookies. If the value is not true, it means false. It means there is no any cookie. Then we set it as a minus value. Because if the value is minus, no any cookie is creating. Because when it's creating, it's already destroyed. So no any cookie is creating by using this method. And if all this part is false, it means not 1, then it will display this echo invalid username or password. That's the simplest way we make our cookie and the remember me option. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's see you in the next video.